to another video for Motorhome Retrofits. So today we've had this Westfalia Amundsen in. It's on a 2021 FIAT Chassis base engine chassis. Now it came to us with this, and nobody can do much with this, interact with it in any way, shape or form, and we have fitted this. So today we are going to just quickly go through the process of what you get with this 7-inch factory 2021 navigation system that's got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Right, okay, so we're now in the vehicle, finished article. We fitted an Alpine INE-F904DC. The C at the end means it's the camper version, so that you can add in the profiles for height, weight and length for narrow roads and low bridges. And the INE-F904 means that you've got navigation built in. So this is the Halo 9, really popular, and has just recently been replaced with the newer breed, but not yet with navigation. So this particular customer wanted navigation and wanted to be able to retain his factory reversing camera and his steering wheel controls. So this is a 2021, as I've already explained. It's a Westfalia Amundsen sliding door camper van motorhome conversion. Looks really nice. We've got the gloss black, we've retained the gloss black, we've fitted a storage pocket underneath, and the halo is in its fixed position. We've got FM, we've got DAB, we've got Bluetooth and Bluetooth streaming. We've also got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto but wired, and we've got built-in TomTom navigation maps with 3 years mapping updates. Now we've done loads of videos, so I won't go into too much detail, but the USB, single USB for Apple CarPlay and USB Android Auto is in the top cubby hole on the left hand side. Steering wheel controls are retained for things like volume up and down, next track, answer the telephone, and the mute facility as well, which is quite cool, because not always do they work on a lot of steering wheels. And at the beginning of the video I said to you that this vehicle had come to us with the Daiichi 7-inch navigation station that's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and reversing camera, but people are moaning about it. It's not great. The technology behind it, the cost behind it is not great, and that's why we have taken a few out. But not in all instances have they come with steering wheel controls. So up until now there hasn't been a way to take out this 7-inch Daiichi radio, which again I'll just show you here if the camera can focus in on here. Now this is the factory radio. You know, it actually looks quite smart, especially once it's in the dashboard. It's all in and working, but there's been no way to be able to retain things like the steering wheel controls and other stuff. Now we've done it. There isn't even an adapter online. We've adapted it, we've modified it, we're talking to the CAN data in the vehicle, and we have retained things like reverse signal, speed pulse, steering wheel controls, and I said also the camera retention. Now the reversing camera I will show you is not great, but we didn't fit it and we are just retaining it for the customer. So there's the reversing camera. We have got quite a bright day today, so it's not helping the situation. The quality of the factory camera isn't great, and then teaming up with the Alpine 9-inch is not brilliant either, but either way it's in, it's done, it's working. I'll just use the steering wheel controls to turn up the volume like so. This is a 2021 Westfalia Amundsen camper van motorhome. We fitted the Alpine INE-F904DC. We've integrated it as best we can. We've retained all the factory functions, so things like FM antenna, DAB antenna, and as much as we can, steering wheel controls, as I've already mentioned. If you've got a vehicle like this, please get in touch with us, and we would have to come down to us here in Poole and Dorset, and we can work our magic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, thanks for watching, and the website is www.motorhomeretrofits.co.uk.